Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a shirt without an iron. First, dampen the shirt lightly and lay it flat on a clean towel, smoothing wrinkles by hand. Use a hairdryer, steam from a kettle, or a hot pot lid as a press, moving steadily and checking fabric temperature. Finish by hanging the shirt to cool and set the fibers, and voila, crisp results without an iron. Use a towel and manual smoothing for delicate fabrics because gentle pressure prevents damage. For heavier cotton, steam from a kettle or a clothes steamer works best, holding fabric taut as you apply steam. A hairdryer on high from 6 inches can help, keeping heat moving to avoid scorching. For quick fixes, a hot pot lid pressed briefly gives surprising results, but always test a hidden seam before full treatment. Avoid ironing over stains because heat can set them permanently. Don't overwet fabric as excess moisture lengthens drying and can distort fibers. Keep heat moving to prevent burns and use a cloth barrier for sensitive materials like silk. Store shirts on wide hangers to maintain shape after treatment and smooth collars and cuffs with your fingers while warm. Practice on an inconspicuous area to learn timing and distance for each fabric regularly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.